The stage instantly, but kill some deers.
No, the winner.
Oh God! I'm drunk.
I'm so
Get back on your TV. You only got 10 minutes for however the song. Alright. You should dig and see your boss, the best artist of all time. He was a good singer, despite that his face is totally burned. Oh shit!
Did you know I grew up listening to
Kill that fucking deer!
Yeah!
Oh, James!
That was a wolf. Did I get, like, I don't know.
You aimed right for it. That is a full point.
It was a deer.
That's
good enough.
Baby! I'd compare you to a kiss on the road on the grave. Ooh, I feel you, stranger, sealed, yeah. Now that your deer is dead, I might not try to the water. Come on, man, get with it. Kill some deers. You better kill the shit out of some deers. Oh God.
Oh man, oh god.
Oh man, oh man. Oh man.
Oh god, oh man, oh god, oh man, oh god.
This is the time to get serious. Alright, I'm going.
For my pleasure, my pain, baby.
Well, I can pay you $2 Won't you tell me? There he is. Oh, he's right there. Kill him. Kill that fucking deers.
Yeah, fucking deers.
Yes! No way, he got away! Look at him, he's slipping away! Kill that fucking deer! Kiss from a deer on an ATV. Oh!
Another one. He's too close to the water now. He's at risk.
They're smart, that's why they're heading for the water. The deer know.
This is a dangerous game. This is the game starring
The most dangerous.
starring Michael Douglas. Oh shit, there he is!
Oh my god.
Kill him through the bridge for extra points. I'm so drunk!
Why do I keep doing that? Kissed by a rose on my train. In Montana.
Oh God!
Oh man, oh god.
Get away! I'll drown myself in the river.
God.
I've been kissed by the
Oh yes.
There he is! He's dead! He got him! Points for James! You killed the man? Yeah, you're really good at this.
I'm warning you. I fucking hate that omnipresent God figure.
Triple score.
Baby.
Oh shit, yeah, it's doing it.
Yeah.
You know what?
If you get kicked off the reserve, that's triple score.
Oh my god, I need to find this here. Post haste.
And when it snows, the deers go in the water, and you're bound to drown yourself in shame. Baby!
Oh no!
Drown yourself before the song's over for extra score. No! The song's still going, so you can still drown yourself for extra points.
I didn't pause that. I think I just died. Yeah, I drowned.
You did! Yeah.
rescued.
Mark that down.
He scores two.
What's that?
Hunter suicide.
That's a fourth point, I think.
I'll calculate it later.
Okay. Oh, okay.
That's it anyway.
The song wasn't over, but alright. I will say that's it.
Next up is